this evening for a very quick chat. GS Prasad, spokesperson of the BJP. Good evening. JVC Sriram is a political strategist joining us on the broadcast. Dr. Akashdeep Muni, thank you very much. We'll be speaking on behalf of the Congress Party, and Kapil Madan, advocate and political analyst, will be speaking on behalf of the Congress Party as well. Why is the Congress not on the show? It's a good question for our viewers to ask, simply because they have told us that they don't want to speak on the subject. Dr. Akashdeep Muni, given what you have heard exactly 2 minutes ago, the fact that D.K. Shivakumar is now reaching out to all MLAs to get them to support him as Chief Minister, etc., etc., how is it possible for the Congress Party to blame the BJP for their problems, like they have done today?
Shreya, crisis in Karnataka is a figment of media imagination.
Achha.
DKS on X today said that the CM has said that he will complete 5 years. I wish him all the best. We all will work under him. Where is the confusion now? He urged his supporters to avoid public statements, issuing a show cause notice to Iqbal Hussain, one of his own MLA, for demanding a swap. Central leadership of the Congress Party is in control. Surjewala ji has issued clarification that no immediate change and should be a focus on governance. Even DKS warned his camp against public airing, and a joint AICC-KPC statement reiterated the 2023 AICC letter where Siddaramaiah was CM and DKS was Deputy CM. And till now there is no defection reported. In fact, the infighting is in Maharashtra BJP government, which media ignored.
We'll speak about Maharashtra some other day. Today, let's just speak about Karnataka. Who will believe you right now? There is obviously a problem and a crisis if Randeep Singh Surjewala had to put out the tweet that he has put out today, putting in effective gag order on your own MLAs and ministers.
See,
there is obviously a problem if the Congress president has to fly down to Bangalore to sort out the issue.
I'll respond.
There is obviously a problem is D.K. Shivakumar is calling all MLAs today and saying, please support me as CM. है ना? कुछ तो है.
No, Shreya ji, 10 seconds. कुछ तो है actually. Media ignores Maharashtra actually and focuses on Karnataka because of the reasons they know. But Eknath Shinde met yesterday Amit Shah for grievances. वो आपने ignore कर दिया. But आज आपको कर्नाटका में
चलिए उसको इग्नोर नहीं करते. 1 मिनट के लिए मान लेते हैं that महाराष्ट्र में प्रॉब्लम है और है प्रॉब्लम, उसमें कोई शक नहीं है. My question to you is, if I agree that महाराष्ट्र में प्रॉब्लम है, will you please agree sir कि आज कर्नाटका में भी प्रॉब्लम है?
मैं ये बोलूंगा कि ना कि प्रॉब्लम होगा, पर डीकेएस और सिद्धरमैया के बीच में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, क्योंकि डीकेएस ने खुद बोला उसने इकबाल हुसैन के खिलाफ शोकोज नोटिस निकाला, क्यों, जिसने मांग की थी कि भाई स्वैप हो जाए. भाई अपने सपोर्टर के अगेंस्ट में कौन शोकोज नोटिस निकालेगा अगर वो चाहेगा चीफ मिनिस्टर बनने के लिए? ये सब आपका फिगमेंट ऑफ इमेजिनेशन है.
GS Prashant, now, it can be two things. It can be two things. No, this is contradictory. I will let GS Prashant come in, but this is contradictory. It can be either or. It can be either a figment of the media's imagination, this power struggle in the Congress within Karnataka, or it can be the BJP's badmashi. It can't be both. GS Prashant, please come in here. You are the root cause of all trouble, all of Congress's troubles.
Yeah, yes, if BJP is the root cause of troubles, and if Shubhanshu Shukla also mentions that about the famous Bangalore traffic and how he was honored that he had to travel 3 hours to be in the tech summit, it sums up the Bangalore story in the last 2.5 years. What's happened? Because the roads are full of potholes, there is no governance, there is administrative anarchy, and it's for everybody to see. Even probably a child would now recognize that there is fighting between Siddaramaiah and Shivakumar, because day in and day out, accepting governance, they are concentrating on everything else. Every alternate day, you have Siddaramaiah or Shivakumar waiting outside Rahul Gandhi's residence for getting an appointment, which both of them failed to get, because ultimately Rahul ji, Sonia ji and Priyanka ji, while having dinner, will decide who will be the CM of Karnataka or whether they will continue. Therefore, now they have sent Mallikarjun Kharge. He has no role to play in this at all, because poor Kharge ji had to stand outside and peep through when Priyanka Vadra had to file a nomination. So what can even Kharge do, because he has to consult the High Command? Be that
Mr.
as it may,
Prashant,
accepting governance.
So Ranjit Singh, Mr. Surjewala is saying it is a figment of the media's imagination, this power struggle between the two men on our screens, not Rahul Gandhi, of course. But B, more importantly, the BJP, this is a malicious campaign by the BJP because they want to divert attention from the fabulous work that we have done and they want to undermine the fabulous work that we have done. तो गलती
Yes,
तो आपकी
yeah.
है, आप ही बार बार नवंबर रेवोल्यूशन इज हियर बोल रहे हैं. अभी तक तो हुआ नहीं ना कुछ.
हो रहा है ना, मतलब you see, DK Shivakumar every alternate day is in Delhi, Siddaramaiah is in Delhi trying to meet Rahul Gandhi. Now Congress wants to come out of the issue saying that after having a fantastic result for Congress in Bihar elections, now they're concentrating on the next states. Therefore, to continue with the streak that Congress is having countrywide, like how they successfully had 4 MLAs in Bihar now, probably they want to replicate that model elsewhere. Therefore, continuing with the tradition of Congress having more and more MLAs, like 4 MLAs in Bihar, 3 in Tamil Nadu, 2 in West Bengal, they're doing what they can do. And if BJP is the root cause, BJP is the root cause to wipe out Congress, yes, because Congress Mukt Bharat will be a reality in the days to come. Because ultimately Congress will have no MLAs left.
Well, we'll see. We'll see. And you cannot have an opposition Mukt Bharat. That's not good for Bharat. Kapil Madan.
Congress Mukt Bharat. You may have opposition, but not Congress.
Well, it is one of your main opposition parties. In fact, it is your main opposition party at the center. Kapil Madan, what